It's day 7 of our Easter fun activity. Today we're using Easter printables, stickers, glue, glitter, and paper strings. Get the kids to mix and match different items to create their own unique designs. Remember, the more colorful, the better. This fun activity encourages children to express their creativity and imagination. They'll also learn the importance of patience and perseverance. Facing challenges such as stickers not sticking properly or glue drying too quickly will teach them the value of persistence and overcoming obstacles. It's day 8 of our Easter fun activity. All you need are colorful mini eggs, larger plastic eggs in similar colors, and a peg. This engaging activity seamlessly blends mathematical concepts and physical developments. As children count and sort the eggs by color, they engage in basic math concepts such as counting, sorting, and grouping. Also, manipulating the peg to pick up and transfer the eggs strengthens hand muscles, improving grip strength and dexterity. It's day 9 of our Easter fun activity. For this activity, you're going to need water, paint, glitters, along with some water toys like bottles, funnels, plastic eggs, and more. And let the kids mix them up and explore. This sensory play stimulates multiple senses, including touch, sight, and hearing.
Hi guys! I hope you had a lovely time watching this.
With its open-ended nature, this messy play is guaranteed to keep the kids occupied for a really long time. They can let their imaginations run wild and play with mixture in any way or form that they please.
Let's see who can fill it out the fastest. I'm going to fill it all the way to the top. Whoa!
Welcome to day 10 of our Easter fun activity. All you need are mini cups and Easter decorations. Can we have 2 sheep under the cup?
2 sheep under the cup. Underneath.
This fun memory game helps improve a child's ability to focus. Put the cups back in its position. Okay. Now, can we have 1 chick inside the cup?
Chick.
Inside. Well done. Following preposition instructions require children to listen carefully and understand what is being asked of them, which helps improve their listening skills, overall attention span, and concentration.
2 bunnies in between the cups.
It also helps children learn about different directions and how to navigate them. This can help them gain a better sense of direction and space. 1 chick in front of the bunnies.
In front of the bunny, 1 chick in front.
That's good. In addition, this activity can help expand children's vocabulary and improve their understanding of how to use prepositions correctly in sentences. Can we have 2 lamb next to the chick?
2 lamb next to the chick. 2 lamb
next to the chick.
Next to the chick.
Good job. Right, so can we have 1 chick behind the cup?
1 chick behind the cup. Don't see.
Behind the cup. Behind the cup.
Behind.
Good job. Well done. It's day 11 of our Easter fun activity. All you need are 2 plastic eggs and 2 mini plates and set up a zigzag line. This fun challenge is not only entertaining but also provides a fantastic full body workout for kids. As they walk along the zigzag line, children must maintain balance and coordinate their movements to stay on track. Balancing the egg on a plate requires hand-eye coordination as they adjust their hand movements to keep the egg steady. This task demands concentration and focus from children, helping to enhance their attention span and focus abilities. It's day 12 of our Easter fun activity. All you need are letter beads, your child's name, Easter-related words, or any word of your choice, placed on a table, and strings, and get the kids to thread.
Oh, look, we found it.
This engaging and challenging task requires patience and persistence as children work to thread objects onto the strings, promoting perseverance and resilience. Threading their names with letter beads provides children with opportunity to practice spelling their names, reinforcing letter order and sequence.
Mommy, I did it!
Yay! Nice.
Successfully completing a threading project can boost children's self-esteem
What
and
does it say?
confidence
Victoria.
as they see tangible results
done.
of their
And you can roll
efforts.
it over.
This activity is excellent for developing fine motor skills, as threading requires precise hand-eye coordination
like it?
and manipulation of small objects.
It says, Mom.
I want a necklace. Does yours have more letters than me? 1, 2,
This
3,
fun
4,
activity
5,
can extend
6,
beyond mere
7,
threading,
8.
as children engage in conversations about differences in names, letters,
1,
and words,
2,
promoting
3,
language
4,
development
5,
and
6.
social interaction.
No, Joshua didn't have more letters than me. He has less.
Oh, okay, that's right. It's got less.
It's less. What's a bigger number? Is it 6 or 8? 6 or 8?